Back Enderby Road, located off of Highway 97, heading north out of the Spallumcheen Valley, has been rated as the highest priority road for replacement within the township boundary. In 2018, a road and culvert condition assessment were conducted throughout the township. Roads were rated on things like pavement condition and drainage concerns. Outlined in the township's asset management plan, Council has committed to reinvest roughly $1.5 million per year into the renewal of 205 kilometers of local roads and drainage improvements. Back Enderby Road is one of 3 priorities for 2020. Back Enderby Road was originally built for local farmers and residents of the area. As years passed, gravel was replaced with pavement, but the structure beneath remained. As time went on, traffic increased, farm equipment got bigger and heavier, and industrial traffic started to travel the road, which led to the poor condition we see today. Starting in July, there will be heavy equipment working in the area as crews remove the existing road and replace it with a new, suitable road structure and asphalt. Improvements will also be made to the ditch drainage system. Construction is expected to be complete by October of this year. Crews will be working from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday, and some weekend work may be necessary as the project progresses. The Sneesby Creek culvert replacement is scheduled to take place in the 3rd and 4th weeks of August. Construction crews will be working hard to mitigate impacts to nearby residents and the community. Dust. Dust is not anticipated to be a significant issue, but control measures such as frequent watering may be used. Driveways. We will be replacing culverts under driveways. As a result, there may be a brief period when impacted residents will be unable to use their driveway. The township and the contractor will ensure the lines of communication are open and clear so impacted residents can make alternate arrangements during closures. Road closures. The improvement area along Back Enderby Road will remain open during construction, but reduced to single-lane alternating traffic. Late August will see a full road closure due to the Sneesby Creek culvert replacement and only open to local traffic. All efforts will be made to mitigate impacts to adjacent properties and the surrounding environment. If you have any questions or comments, please click the link below and submit your feedback to the Township's Director of Operations during the 2-week question period. Of course, if you have any questions throughout the summer, the Township of Spallumcheen would be happy to help.